Hey guys, welcome to Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas, and we are staying at the Resort King Vista Room Fountain View. Now let's take a look at the room. Alright guys, we are in room 2279 here at the Planet Hollywood. This room is called the Resort King Vista Room with a view of the Bellagio fountains and the Eiffel Tower down in Paris. So as soon as you enter the room, you have a small foyer and a sitting area. And to the opposite side of that is actually two closet space, your coffee station, and inside here is your safe and a fridge. Now this is not a mini fridge, which is great because you can buy your own drinks or put in your leftovers. If you keep walking this way, now you have your king bed. We have a sitting area plus your television. I think that's a 50-inch. And now let's check out the view here. Nice view. Bellagio fountains and the Eiffel Tower. We also have a view of the city center. There's Cosmopolitan area. Got that here too. Their pool is currently closed for the season. Looks like they're doing some work down there. Let's check out the bathroom. Look at that. You have a soaking tub with a window. Overlooking the city center. Here you have a water closet. And this one's just a single sink. That's okay. And you have a standing shower. So that's it for the room tour. So this room is actually around 585 square feet. It costs about $170 US plus taxes and fees, plus of course the resort fees of $52 US per day. So it does add up, but if you do have a Caesars Rewards card, then you can probably save a little bit on the room rates. So it will all depend on your tier though. Now let's explore the rest of the hotel. Alright, so this is one of the entrances here at the Planet Hollywood. This one right here leads to the casino, which we're going to check out in a bit. There's also the purple zebra. Right there is to the Las Vegas Boulevard. Let's call on it. So here's the view of the casino from the mezzanine level. Planet Hollywood's casino is not that big, but we really like the vibe here because it's always so full of people with fun music playing, and the selection of the machines are also pretty good. And Chris Angel Theater is right here on the mezzanine level. If you haven't seen him, check it out. Right here at the mezzanine level, this is just a huge empty space. But I think if there's a convention in here, this place is pretty packed. But right now, it's pretty quiet. This is a wedding chapel.
This is also located on the mezzanine level. Let's take a peek. And now we're heading to the spa and the fitness center. Let's go check out the gym. So we're right here at the entrance of the Reflection Spa, and this is also where the gym is located. Let's go check it out. Fitness center, and this is the spa reception. And this is the view of the gym. Gym's actually pretty good. There's lots of equipment. It's not that big, but you have all the things that you need. Got some cardio equipment, some free weights, some machines as well. This is another view of the casino. This is from the mezzanine level. It's about 10:30 in the morning right now, so there's not a lot of people, but at night, this place is vibing. Now we're just gonna go on the casino level. Let's take these escalators right here. So the Planet Hollywood Casino is actually pretty small compared to the other resorts here in Las Vegas, but even though it's small, I really like it because the energy here is very alive, especially at night. And the selection of the games are also pretty good here. Like any other normal casinos, there's a bunch of table games and the slot machines. Another good place to eat here at Planet Hollywood is the P.F. Chang's. We come here a lot for dinner. They have a pretty good menu and the food is great too. Another great place to eat at is the Cafe Hollywood. This place is an American diner and it's open 24 hours and it's right here at the casino. And right this side, the Cafe Hollywood on the casino level is another Starbucks. For those of you who love their Starbucks, this is another place to get them. And of course, let's not forget Gordon Ramsay's Burger. This is another awesome place to eat at when you're here at the Planet Hollywood. Normally it is full of people and there's a huge lineup out here, but today it's pretty good. We just got here at the Miracle Mile here at Planet Hollywood. The Miracle Mile is a mall with a bunch of restaurants shops like H&M, Aldo, Lush, and a whole lot more. The Miracle Mile is about 1.2 miles in length. And they're currently undergoing some renovations. I think this area here has already been completed, while some of the areas are still being renovated. The Miracle Mile also has the famous breakfast locations such as the Ocean One, Blondie's, and the La Cantina. Those are the cheap breakfast places that you guys must absolutely try when you are here in Vegas. They're really budget friendly and the service is quick, it's good, so it's absolutely worth your money. This is one of the posters here in the Miracle Mile. This one is for the La Salsa Cantina. $5.99 breakfast and a 99-cent Bloody Mary. Alright guys, another staple here in Las Vegas are the ABC stores. There are actually two ABC stores here at the Miracle Mile. They're located on the opposite side of the Miracle Mile here at Planet Hollywood. So if you are running out of alcohol or just want to get a bottle of water or a quick bite to eat, this is actually a good place to get that, because it's actually very cheap here compared to the other places here in Las Vegas. Alright guys, we have reached the midpoint of the Miracle Mile where you can see the V Theater, La Salsa Cantina, and Blondie's. Now Blondie's and La Salsa Cantina offer really good breakfast options here at the Miracle Mile. They both offer $5.99 breakfast, just like the Ocean One, but I still think the Ocean One is the better option for me personally. I like the service there, and they're pretty quick, and I think that for the breakfast option they have more to offer. That's just my personal opinion. Also in this area you will be able to see Flights, which is like a pub. This is actually a cool place to check out as well. If you guys are down here. Now, as you guys can see, this area is still being renovated. And if you notice, the decor is probably remnants of what was previously here, which was the Aladdin Hotel and Casino, before it got turned into the Planet Hollywood. Alright guys, let's keep walking. And here is the front of the La Salsa Cantina. As you can see, there's a lot of people waiting to get in. Again, they offer a really good breakfast option here at the Miracle Mile. You guys should come check it out when you guys are down here. Another great option to eat at here at the Miracle Mile is the Ketchup Burger Bar. They offer pretty good prices on their hot dogs, their burgers, and their drinks. See, they have 2-for-1 hot dog Tuesdays, chicken tenders on Wednesdays, happy hour from Monday to Friday from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Bud Lights for $4. They also have $5 tall boys and $5 shots. And if you guys need to get some souvenirs, you can check out this store. It has the huge sign of the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And at the Miracle Mile, you will also have access to Ilera, which is another hotel directly connected here at Planet Hollywood. Right beside it, there's a Starbucks coffee. So if you guys are looking for a cup of joe, this is where you will find it. Now let's continue walking. Alright, now this is where the rainstorm show used to be. Right now it's temporarily closed for renovations. I'm not sure how long it's been. The last time that I was here was in September and it was still working. But as you guys can see right now, they're doing some work. Hopefully that means that the show will become better, because it wasn't a really good show if you ask me. But we'll see. And here is Ocean One, which is one of the most famous places here at the Miracle Mile for food. I come down here almost every day for breakfast. They have a $5.99 deal. I really like it here, guys. The service is pretty quick. The food is pretty good. Can't complain. Ocean One. Alright guys, so we're just continue walking here at the Miracle Mile. We're almost at the other end. See, there's Chipotle, Champs. And pretty soon, we're gonna see the other ABC store. There it is. And this is the other ABC store here at the Miracle Mile. This one is located on the south side. And ABC store is a really good place to get alcohol, your bottles of water, and even souvenirs. ABC store originated in Hawaii actually, and now it's been a staple here in Las Vegas. And right now we are in front of the Earl Sandwich. This is another good place to grab something to eat. This place is open 24 hours. They serve really good sandwiches, and it's also very cheap. Earl Sandwich is located right next to the entrance of their casino, here on the south side of the Miracle Mile. And that concludes our today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please give this a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.